Hello and welcome to another video. This is LxRealm, and today we are going to try again and install Enlightenment Desktop. I found a process and here it is. I will leave this link in the description so you can follow along. Now remember, I'm installing this on Sparky Linux, which is Debian, so the process can be applied on any Debian based Linux distribution except for Ubuntu. There are several steps, I believe 5 steps, and the first one is to download the Enlightenment files. Then step 2 is unpacking, and 3 is installing dependencies, then building and installing, and then carrying out the post install tasks. Just download the file, and here we don't need to download all of them. Let's pick the latest one, so let's download this one. I'll download as completed, so let's go to the directory, and here it is, and copy this zip file right here. Copy, take it to the home, paste it right there, right click and extract here. Alright, now it has finished extracting. The next step 3 is to install dependencies, so let's just copy these commands right here. This one carries all the dependencies that are required to make that desktop. So go to the terminal and just paste and then press enter. Let's agree and let it download the dependencies. Alright, all the dependencies have been installed. Let's proceed to step 4, that's building and installing our desktop environment. So we go to that directory, and inside here let's right click, open the terminal, and we need to run the following commands. Let's try and build this thing again, but for this time let's copy the all command together. Just copy it as a whole and then paste it on the terminal. Just paste, enter. It's going to check whether we had built correctly and rebuild it again, and then proceed to install our desktop environment. It's now building a Ninja again. Let's give it time. I'll see you when it's done. Alright, installation is almost complete. This one is asking for password. I'm going to input the admin password. And it's done. Let's clear this and let's reboot and see if we have anything. Just log out, and then go up here and see if we have our desktop. It's not picking anywhere, it's not available. Let's log in back to the XFCE session. Let us run one more command, the post installation task. Just copy the command, this command right here, just copy it, minimize and paste it right there. And press enter, and admin password file exists already. Okay, well, let's run the final one. Copy and paste admin password, and nothing has happened. So our desktop is installed, but we are not sure how to launch it. System ctl reboot. Okay, check if we have our desktop environment. Nothing.